Hey guys, Chase here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get into a Blazer EV with a dead key fob. As you can see, unlock, lock, nothing on this key. Now I've done this by just taking the battery out of the key, but it would be the same if your battery died. You have basically two options to get into it. You can either pull this mechanical key out, which is kind of hard to do on these newer GM fobs. And I'm not going to show you what my key looks like, but essentially this goes into this piece on the door. This pops off. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. This is simply just for getting into the vehicle and starting it. Easiest way to get in is with the My Chevrolet app. So what I'm going to do is just hold the unlock key here on the app, and in a few seconds you'll see the mirrors will unfold and the car is now unlocked. So let's jump inside and see what it looks like in there. Hopping into your Blazer EV, you'll notice the car will not start. Even though the key here says no key detected, obviously the car can't see it if the battery's dead. Now eventually you will get this message on your screen. Key not detected, put key in center console, or in, center console recessed area. My first thought was in here. That is not the case. So you can put the key, and I've got a bunch of stuff in here, but the key will not do you any good in here. My next thought was, well, maybe phone charger here, even though mine's kind of dirty and I need to clean it. But nothing works there. Nothing works there. I thought, well, maybe this is a recessed area. You can see my foot is on the brake here. You're getting nothing. So you actually need to put the key down in here, make sure it's laying flat back on the Chevy logo, and then hit the brake. And there you go. Your car will start, and you can, from then, drive away and not be stranded. Anyway, thank you for watching Chase's Blazer Adventures, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.